Yeah, whatever. All right, y'all. So my package came in early. It was supposed to come Thursday, but it's Wednesday. So let me show y'all what I got, and I'll give y'all the name of the website because I forgot. I think it's Battery Cables USA or something like that. So let me turn the camera around. I'll show y'all. All right, y'all. So this is the package. Let me go ahead and open it up for you. Show you what's inside. So like I said, these are my battery cables. I'm about to redo all the grounds. So I'll show you the name of the company. Yeah, I was right. Battery Cables USA. That's where I ordered this from. I think the website is, yeah, batterycablesusa.com. I'll put a link down below. So what I've got here is a bunch of tin, copper. Oh man, they even labeled each pack. Okay. So let me sort this out. Oh, I forgot I ordered that. I got heat shrink. I think this got glue in it. It's supposed to have glue in it. That's gonna be for the, I think everything but the 1/0. Got black. Got my red for the 1/0. My cables. These are flex cable. Your description for the cable: flexible OFC copper, and you buy it by the foot. I got 3 feet red, 4 feet of the black. I probably don't even need all this black, but man, this looks nice. And then here goes the red. Got all my lugs here. Now also, I got this distribution block. This came from, I ordered this on Amazon, but that's the Fastronics part number right there. X001 or X001 O22SK9R. Y'all see it. So this is a Fastronic 4-stud power distribution block, and I chose for the 3/8, the 3/8 studs. So these are 3/8 size bolts or lugs. Take this off. Yeah. Bam. That's gonna be nice. That's gonna be real nice. All right. What else I got? And then I think I got this to go on the alternator. I can't remember, but I think that's what I got it for. Also, what I ordered came in new pigtails. And I got these from OPGI, Original Parts Group Inc. These are for my headlights. So I got the 2-prong headlights and then the 3-prong for the low beam. One of my connectors, they all get power. I tested them with the test light, but one of the plastic prong is broke. So the little connector, the metal connector falls down whenever you push this on the back of the bulb, so it doesn't give it any power. So I'm gonna work on this. This gonna be, today is Wednesday. I probably won't work on this till Saturday because I gotta run up to Summit and get the crimper, because I don't have a crimper for these lugs, but Summit has it in stock. I could have ordered it on Amazon, but Summit has the same one that Amazon has for the same price, and I could just go pick it up. So give me a reason to go to Summit, right? Like I need one. So yeah, man, I like the way these look.